Okay, today we left the reservoir, went up to the 40 till the 14, and we took this up to Walden, and then we cut across here to Wyoming. And let me switch the page. Okay, here's Wyoming. Wasn't that fast? So we crossed up here, went down this highway, and then up to Saratoga and to Walcott. And then I don't know if you can see Sinclair. We turned north on Sinclair and boondocked up in here by this reservoir there along the river. Was some free camping. There was like 5 spots, so we spent the night in Sinclair. Okay, so I don't know where we left off last night, but anyway, today we have to go into town, find some RV place to get a replacement for the hot water heater, and then we'll go from there. And then we'll figure out where we're going from there. Anything else?
No, off to Lowe's.
And what's that thing we're getting?
Just a brass nipple, an extractor.
Yeah.
See if I can't pull that out, make it better than it was.
So we'll either,
if not, we'll have to find an RV place.
Fix it or go to RV place. So and we're starting off nice and early, 7:30, which is early for us.
Later.
Off to our next adventure.
Got it fixed.
Thank goodness he got it fixed, because we're on the road and it's only 9:20 in the morning. So this is usually when we get up. So we're still on track. Awesome to go. Are you happy?
Yep. One little brass nipple and some pipe dope, and away we go.
So next stop, well, we gotta go fill up with some water, and I'm gonna finally take a shower. So we stopped at this place for one night. Oh, it would be fun to hike around, but there's too many mosquitoes right now, so we're gonna go on to the Grand Tetons after this. But it's beautiful. I'm gonna have Mark get some drone shots over here. Right next to the river, though, really pretty. Just north of Sinclair, Wyoming. But this place was pretty nice. Mornings aren't bad. I guess we could have got up and hiked. But we're not morning people. Anyway, off to the next place. Some pretty views from here. I like being by the water, but I don't like the bugs. Okay, we're off. We're doing the final load up here. Off to Grand Tetons. I wanted to go there for my birthday, so I'm gonna spend my birthday at the Grand Tetons, and we're gonna have carne asada and have a barbecue. That'll be fun, and I think we'll spend maybe 2 days there. And then today I'm gonna try the DJI on some scenic. I tried out the GoPro, but it's an old GoPro yesterday, and the scenes are kind of shaky, so I'll see what I can do with them. But so today, hopefully the video is going to be better on the road, so we'll see how it goes. So I made some healthy snacks here, and then this is Mark's snacks. But he's eating good so far, kinda. Okay. Oh, we're matching, honey. I didn't even see that. Okay.
Happy birthday to my beautiful wife.
Aww. He's so sweet. And he remembered the card. It was so cute. It was a very nice card. So, that was really nice of him. I can't believe we were matching. We did not plan this.
Yeah, well.
Oh, well, that's funny. All right. See you down the road.
Bye.
The tow bar for the Jeep was sitting too low. So when we got onto the highway, we stopped at Rollins and got another hitch for the truck, which brought the tow bar up at a level angle, which was safer to tow at. We got the new hitch, so the Jeep is towing more level. It just wasn't level enough, so then our chains are short, so he's inside getting some chains, so they'll be hooked up for safety stuff. So that's all we're doing. New chains, a little longer ones, and then I'll get all hooked up here. Ready to go. I was sitting here videotaping, and this lady came over and said, asked if I was okay. So nice. The people are so nice here. And then another couple came by with the Yorkie, so I got to pet it. So they're very nice here. Very nice Tractor Supply. Yeah, it was great.